Here we want to evaluate this function without really knowing what the function is. Here I want to evaluate f of 4, here I want to evaluate f of negative 6, and then this last one, I'll move it over later, we want to find these x's such that f of x is equal to 1. Alright, so let's start with this first one, f of 4, and what does it really mean? Well, when you say f of 4, what we're really looking at is we know for sure that x is equal to 4. Well, if x is equal to 4, that's right here. That would be x is equal to 4. So what we want to do is we want to go to x equals 4, but the f represents where is the function. Well, to get to the function, we have to come down here. And to come down this way, we're going to have to move down 2 units. And if you notice, that's also on the y-axis. We're down 2 units. So f of 4 is just equal to negative 2. Alright, for this one, f of negative 6, we know for sure that x is equal to negative 6. So we move over here to where negative 6 is, which is right here. And we want to find the graph above and or below it. Well, we're going to have to go below. So we go straight down, and it hits right there. Well, how many units did I go down? Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you look off over here to the right, it's down 4 units. So we say that f of negative 6 is equal to negative 4. Alright. Now we want to find x's such that f of x is equal to 1. Alright, so let me undo some of my marks over here. Oops. I'll have to erase them. Alright, in this case, we're going to be looking for f of x is equal to 1. Well, what does it mean to say that f of x is equal to 1? Well, what it really means is y is equal to 1. Remember, you can replace f of x with just y by itself. Well, y equals 1 is a line that goes through literally y equals 1. And it goes left and right, and these are always y are equal to 1. So where does it hit the graph? Well, one of the points it hits is right here. And the other point that it actually hits is over here. So the two values of x, now notice it doesn't really hit this one. It's not really there. It's an open circle. So the two values of x that we're looking at is negative 5. So one of my answers must be x is equal to negative 5. And the other one is way over here, and that looks like it's going to be positive 7 on the x-axis. So when x is equal to 7 or when x is equal to negative 5, we're getting that f of x is equal to 1. And that's how you read a graph with function notation.